Hi guys, this is Donkey Capital. Today we have a trade setup review from yesterday's live trade execution video. I'm going to explain you the reasoning behind the trade and which ICT concepts I used in order to take the trade. Well, the first concept is the SMT, Smart Money Tool. The SMT divergence is a tool used by smart money to indicate the strength or weakness of a market. We can look for SMTs when correlated markets fail to make a higher high or lower low. This, paired with a strong narrative, can be really useful to frame trades. For instance, if we are looking for shorts, we must sell the weakest market and vice versa. Here you have a graphic example. Here you can see a clear SMT divergence with NQ failing to make a higher high, while the ES took the high. Now I will zoom into that high on the 1-minute chart to show you the setup. To put you in context, we had been really bearish, so I kept my bearish bias. At 9:30 a.m. New York local time, the market failed to make a lower low and engineered relative equal lows. Those lows will act as a magnet for price. Then we had this bullish fair value gap turned into an inversion fair value gap, which indicates bearishness. This happened right after the ES took those highs that I showed you before. Besides, we were inside of the 9:50 to 10:10 macro time window, which is a perfect time for a reversal. Market shifted to the downside, creating a market structure shift forming a bearish fair value gap. This is the classic ICT 2022 model. In the video I entered before the FVG using the inversion FVG of the last slide, and then I added more contracts with the 2022 model. For targeting, we had that discount FVG, which is usually a really safe place to take profits. Then the final target were those relative equal lows, but as you can see price consolidated before going for those, so I was taking profits as price kept going lower until I was left with one contract that ended up being stopped out in profits. Here you have the screenshot that I took when I was stopped out. You have reached the end of the video. I hope that you found it insightful and helpful. I would appreciate a thumbs up and a comment if you enjoyed it. Plus I added this suited donkey trying to improve the quality of the videos. If you have any suggestions for future videos, comment them down below. Until the next one, thank you and good trading.